Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your GoDaddy website builder, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a blog to your GoDaddy website builder? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a blog into your GoDaddy website builder anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that building a blog is an important way to get SEO traffic or search engine traffic. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your GoDaddy website builder. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my GoDaddy website builder, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and add a blog into your website, first you're going to click on website here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see all the pages you have in your website. So I would recommend that you add a specific page for your blog. So you're going to click on this plus icon. Once you do that, go ahead and click on new page. Okay. And next I'm going to go ahead and create a blank page and click on create page. Okay. Quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see it's added into the menu. So I have my home page, gaming page, and then blank. So let's go ahead and change this page title from blank into blog. Well, let me respell that. Blog. Okay, and then I'm going to click on done. Okay, so now we have our blog page next to our gaming page. So in order to add a blog, just click into the blog page. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add a section. So if you already have some sort of section, you can click on the plus icon that's going to appear above or below other sections. And once you click there, you're going to see this menu off to the right, and you want to click here blog and newsletter. Once you click there, you're going to see another menu. Click on blog. Okay, so now you can see the different blog formats. So just kind of scroll through and choose the one that appeals to your brand. I kind of like this one right here. And once you click on it, it's going to add the blog into the page. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and click right here, start writing. Okay. Now we get brought back here to our blog site. So we're going to go ahead and create a post or create a new post. Okay. This is my new blog. Here is my first blog post. And you can add an image over here if you want. I'm not going to do that because I'm just showing how to create a blog, and we're going to click on publish. Okay. Now we're going to go to editor. Okay. Once we're in here, we're going to click on publish site. Okay. I'm going to publish it to the website. Okay. Now it's published. So let me close this out, and then we'll go over here to our blog. Okay. Now you can see we have our blog post right here. It would have an image if you had added that. And then if you want to go ahead and continue adding another blog post over here on the right under website, click on blog. And then you're going to click here on blog. Okay, next it brings you here to the blog section. So we have our blog right here, and then we can go ahead and just continue creating a new post. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a blog to your GoDaddy website builder, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.